Alright, fellas. See, you guys like that other video on the Cobra, the little intro we had. So it's gonna continue. Right now, me and my brother, we're about to take this stock 88 out, and we're about to rebuild it. Still got the 4-lug axles and the disc brake setup. Yeah, man, so we're probably like a day away from getting this thing out of where it's been sitting for the last couple years. I got the coupe finished, and the Cobra is either gonna go on that lift or this other lift. A couple of you guys were asking about the Cobra, the number of it. Let's see, 1166. So it's a black interior car. Everything is still in it pretty much. Black door panels. And if you guys look up there, that's the headliner, the seats, pretty much everything is up there untouched. So right now we're about to rip this diff out, and we'll see what it looks like. Me and my brother are probably gonna rebuild it today so we can at least roll it on the rear tires and get it on the lift.
Why you upset like Cinderella teens? You should see the things I feel inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all, this shit like ketamine. Been on one, been on two, been on everything. Bitch, I'm with my gang, with my squad, what the fuck you want? So be rolling gas, I can't hang, bitch, I'm fucking gone. I got people down from the jump, better know your bonds. I got people just tuning in, and the love is strong. And they gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it, get it right back.
Alright, fellas. I get a little good before. It ain't gonna look like that for long. After we get done with it, we're ready, huh? So here she's out. I'll let the rebuild start. All right, y'all. Here it is. She got it. Took us a minute or two. There's the stock Cobra axles and backing plates. Anybody need them? Hit me. Alright, well here's some of the parts we're gonna go with.
It's like Christmas.
Ooh!
Christmas came early.
Damn.
Okay.
Ford racing cover. Ford
Kit.
373. No, these are 355s, right? Yeah. 355s. I got 331s on the coupe. And she's mile an hour and like crazy. The takeoff is kind of weak, so I wanted to try these 355s, and it's gonna be a stock block build, and it ain't gonna have all the power that we got in the coupe, so some gearing is good. Got these ARP studs for it. These axles are all dirty. I had them stored away for a couple of years, and the True Track, baby. 31 spline. And we got this little rebuild kit with I think it has the good bearings in it. Made in USA, good shit. Let's see which ones it came with. Timken. Alright. So that's what we got for the diff, fellas. It's gonna be a nice diff. C-clip eliminator, strange axles, 31s, True Track, and I still don't know what I'm gonna do with the brakes. Probably do the bare brakes in the rear.
Chunky?
Maybe call Bear though and see if they work with these C-clip eliminators, because some of them get in the way. So here's a good look at it, fellas. Nothing in there. And once we get the diff in this thing, we'll put it on the lift. And the next thing we got to do is this torque boxes. I got some new ones for you. I already started taking them out a long time ago, but I didn't take them fully out just so I can keep the place and mark locations on the new ones. So there it is, fellas. A little update. Keep it tuned, and we'll be back. Alright, yeah.
Sí, la viste, pues se me fue la onda.
Haven't seen light in here
Huh?
in how many years, Fish?
Shit, so you opened the shop?
We gutted her and she's been like that. It's time, fellas. Today's the day we get her out of her hole and onto that lift right there. Got the crew over here. I got Eddy, boy Pablo, and boy Juan's coming over later tonight. And we're gonna do some work, fellas. All right, so me and Petey are about to attempt to slide this thing out. First time in 4 years she's been out of her hole, so we got a big old piece of wood in the back and 2 jack stands. So let's see what happens, fellas.
Yeah, no, not even doing it.
Here, let's put this.
Why did you put a block?
Let's put this thing on there. Let's try this. Let's put
The dolly?
the dolly. Man, right on, fellas. Look at that shit.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, look, it's got no weight.
There it is.
There it is, man. It's been a long time, fellas. Thank you guys. But fuck yeah. A lot of work we got ahead of ourselves, but it's cleaner than the coupe. I almost need to put these over here on the frame, huh?
Yeah.
Eddy?
That's right.
And cut these subframes out. Alright, fellas, there you go. It's been 4 years since I got the shop, and pretty much like the first month I moved in,
Empty spot.
she was fucking torn apart, and now time for her glory. Alright, fellas. This crew don't play over here, man. We got this car gutted, damn near. K-members coming out. Car strapped down to the lift.
Oh, here are these, no?
Fast Eddy Jr. and my brother Fish Nasty.
Yeah, they're just hanging there.
You got the Maximum ready to go.
Yeah, hold on.
Everything gutted,
Yeah, they're out.
ready for some paint.
Just like caught, you know?
Just hold it, fool.
Yeah, give me a second. Let me get this out. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Straight.
Fire.
That's a rear control arm that came out the front.
Where the hell that shit
You see that? It was at the K member.
Look at this shit. Collection through the fucking.
Damn!
They need some sheet metal repair on that. My boy Cubano, where you at,
Oh,
Cubano?
got it. Here, stick it down.
Yeah. It's
Ready?
Yeah, I know what we gonna do to this one.
Come on, lift it.
The wood. Grab the wood, Petey. Grab the wood.
Watch your foot, watch your foot.
It's all good, you got it.
There it is.
Alright, there it is, fellas.
Yeah, just put that one
Take it
first.
outside. Get that fucking carcass out of here.
Basura.
Garbage. Never should have been on a Fox.
What is this from?
That's a 93 Cobra front K member. Alright, fellas. There it is. All good.
Oh, you know what? You're right. I'm sorry.
She's rolled.
The last four in the back.
And we're on to the next phase. The cleaning, the prepping, the painting. Everything that needs to get done before we can start assembling any kind of chassis parts, you know? So, big time, guys. Spots cleaned out. And it's a whole new shop now. We got lots of room, so. Yeah, man. Big step. So, hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned. Say peace, fellas.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them